So this got delayed a lot. 1 तारीख से प्लान था स्टार्ट करने का, गेटिंग माई लाइफ बैक ऑन ट्रैक, बट टुडे इज़ व्हाट, आई थिंक 20 तारीख है. ऑफिस का बहुत सारा काम आ गया, मैं लेज़ी हो गया. आई वाज लाइक ओके टुमारो, बट नाउ ओके, दिस इज़ इट. Why am I doing this? I am earning well, but and recently I got actually a very great hike also. I think I would be in around top 1 or 2% of folks in terms of earnings in Bangalore, like with my experience of course, but I don't want my life to be like this, so I'm lagging behind a lot. There are few aspects of my life that I'll start working on, and the first one is going to be, and the most important one is going to be my health. अभी current scenario क्या है, that as per my height I am 15 to 20 kg underweight. And I think sometimes my lack of confidence also results from this. So I will work on this. For this, major reason क्या है इसका is I wake up post 9 every day. So basically post 9 AM I wake up. So breakfast तो कभी होता ही नहीं है, कभी नहीं होता ब्रेकफास्ट. इवन लंच गेट स्किप मल्टीपल टाइम्स ऑफिस में, लाइक यू आर इन अ मीटिंग और इवन इफ नॉट इन अ मीटिंग. आई एम नॉट ब्लेमिंग कि ऑफिस में काम बहुत ज़्यादा है. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई गेट इनग्रोस्ड इन माई वर्क टू सच एक्सटेंट कि मुझे खाने का मन ही नहीं करता यार. तो आई जस्ट स्किप लंच एंड देन डिनर. तो if on the days I do lunch I skip dinner, on the days I do dinner I skip lunch, and rarely I do these two. तो breakfast तो कभी नहीं होता. So basically right now the situation is कि I am having 1 meal a day, 1 meal per day. और 15 से 20 kg का बंदा अगर 1 meal per day करेगा तो you can imagine उल्टा आई थिंक वेट गेन होने से बदले इट विल जस्ट डिक्रीज. सो आई प्लान टू इंक्रीज दिस टू ब्रेकफास्ट, प्री लंच, लंच, पोस्ट लंच, डिनर एंड प्री बेड. So I plan to, from 1 meal a day, target would be 6 meals per day. So right now research is going on कि क्या, so I am purely veg, so I have to take that into account as well. Whey protein मैंने मंगवा लिया है. कंट्री डिलाइट का दूध का सब्सक्रिप्शन भी मैं कल से स्टार्ट करने वाला हूँ. But the exact meal plan and everything I'll share in the next video related to health when it is completely ready in मेरे दिमाग में. But right now the target is this only. What I intend to achieve is 5 kg weight gain in the next 30 days. This is going to be target short term. So 5 kg weight gain in the next 30 days. This meal plan. So basically win condition क्या होगा? So वो कहते हैं ना KPI, सक्सेस क्राइटेरिया क्या है कि what will I consider this, like what happens for me to consider this a success in the next 30 days is कि I have these 6 meals a day for at least 90% of days. I have 6 meals a day. So 90% days If I have 6 meals, then I'll consider it a success. This is on the health part. Okay, even if I don't end up attaining 5 kilogram, that's fine. Again, whey protein मैंने मंगवाया है. I'll also be doing workouts, so 90% of days if I do workout, and this is and not or, so yep, this will be a success criteria for this. And the detailed one I'll share जब मैं खुद बना लूँगा, and which I think will be tonight only. So yep, this is my number one priority, health.